What's up, everyone? It is Mitchell J, the Scaredy Cat Guide, and the altcoins have joined the Bitcoin party. So, if you watched my video from a few days back, we talked about the fact that we broke out above the 68 level and we were flirting with that 7K level, and that we essentially needed to hold 68 at a minimum. And we pretty much did. So if you look at the chart, you'll see that after we blasted through, we got a little pullback, which was good because we didn't get too overstretched away from the 10 period average. And intraday, we came down and got into this resistance area. We didn't quite get down to 67 and change, but we did get down into the 68s and reversed. We got a nice reversal candle, and then we pushed higher. So that is positive price action, and we created a higher low, which we've done now a couple times. So essentially we're creating an ascending channel here, which is good. So that being said, basically next levels. Well, in the end, we have a lot of real estate on the upside. This is the next real top, but we had some consolidation here on the other side, so I'm going to keep an eye on that here around 74, 75. What's key is that we got above this little hiccup. So this was a consolidation. We got this double top here, the intraday candles, and I was basically waiting to see if we can clear that, and we did. We closed above 71.50 yesterday, and now this candle that is, what are we, about 4 or 5 hours old, we have been maintaining above that. So I'd like to see us essentially maintain above 71.50, and that'll be very positive, and we could possibly see a big push. So that is the deal with Bitcoin. Obviously, downside, same thing. This is the prior bottom, so ideally, I don't want to see us go even below this 69, 80, call it even 7,000 level. But still, the true support is around here, around 6,800. So it wouldn't be the end of the world if we did sell off and go back down there, but the price action is strong. Ideally, I want to see it stay above this prior low, and ideally above 71.50 to have the price action really look positive. So that's the deal. It's the best price action we've seen in a while, basically since the middle of the summer. So fingers crossed that it will keep going. Let's take a look at some of the other coins. So Ethereum really isn't as strong as the other ones. The good news is that it maintained this level and it pokes back above this 275, 280 support level. So that's good that it's holding this and building a base. I'd like to see it finally get a push up, because if you look at a lot of other coins, they've done that. So if we look at NEO, basically we had bottom, then higher low, and we're pushing here. And we got above this prior top. And what's good now is if you look at NEO, and let me take the volume off so it's clean, but really this is our next level here, this 2750 area. That's the last consolidation here. You can see it was a reversal bottom in the past, so that's my upside target. Again, a lot of good real estate there, and we're seeing this with a lot of cryptos. As far as the downside, we want to stay above this prior bottom for the price action to remain positive. Again, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, stair step your way up. Let's look at good old EOS. EOS looking strong, same thing. Bottom had this top, put in this base with kind of, not much, but a higher low. Cracked this prior top, this 550 resistance. You can see it was a support and a resistance. Boom, came through. And, 7 was the target. We're getting close. We got up into it a little bit, and you can see, here. But I'd really like to see a push up to $7 even, and then possibly take a break. But so that's the upside. This one, ran pretty good. We really didn't get a pullback to like a support level or anything. So what else do we want to look at? We looked at EOS, we looked at NEO, we looked at Bitcoin, Ethereum. I guess we could look at Litecoin. I haven't actually looked at Litecoin in a while. I should look at it against the USD. So similar story with Litecoin, that same little spike top, put in a bottom, and now it's pushed up and it's over it. And same deal, we're not seeing anything until about 73 here on Litecoin in terms of the next kind of upside target in regards to a prior support and a prior top. So like I said, there's a lot of real estate. So if crypto can, remain strong over the weekend, we may see these price levels, and there will be good price levels to take profits if you have to buy any down here. I know I did suggest to some people that we'd have a chance to basically buy around $50 on Litecoin. And sure enough, it was a quick chance, but it got there. It spiked down and then, bounced around 53, 54 for a while. So, I mean, anyone that bought in the low 50s, I mean, if you haven't taken profits already, if this thing does run up to, 72, 73, if you're not taking profits there, then you're basically holding it for, the very long term. But anyway, that's pretty much the deal. So hopefully this strength continues, and it's nice to see that the alts finally jumped on board because Bitcoin had been strong for a few days prior. And let's just watch the whole portfolio grow. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one.